Isn't there a slight problem now that you have this very close proximate neighbour who has this rather different approach, who's actually doing rather well at attracting Canadian businesses? When Canadian businesses are thinking about, do I add capacity, nearly a full employment, not very much spare capacity in the economy, they're going to the US, which now has lower corporate tax rates, doesn't have all these new regulations. What do you say to those businesses?
I mean, obviously, business owners are free to make their own decisions about that. But I certainly know that I remain focused on the long term. I mean, what's the U.S. debt approaching now? Is it $1 trillion, $2 trillion? I mean, we're talking about something that is not sustainable. We're talking about something that, over the long term, I mean, we have to ask the question whether the tax cuts that they've brought in the United States are sustainable in terms of long-term fiscal stability. And the other side of things is this approach that is not recognizing that there are a lot of people, whether it's women or marginalized communities or immigrants, who don't feel like there is a path for them to succeed, is going to continue to exacerbate tensions that ultimately aren't profitable for business.